दोस्तों आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है फिर से रियल बेलारूस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। और आज हमारे साथ हैं बहुत ही खूबसूरत अनफीसा। और अनफीसा का खुद का एक चैनल है जिसका नाम है अनफीसा बेलारूस, और जिसमें अनफीसा खासतौर से टूरिज्म में काम करती हैं, टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री में काम करती हैं। इसके अलावा ये एक डेटिंग एडवाइज़र हैं। तो आप सभी का जो सबसे बड़ा जो सवाल होता है बेलारूस में कि ऐसा क्या है कि हम कैसे बेलारूस में लोगों से मिल सकते हैं, या हम यहाँ की लड़कियों के साथ शादी कर सकते हैं, या कैसे होता है। तो ये जो डेटिंग के जो सवाल हैं, मुझे लगता है कि मैं इसके लिए बहुत काबिल नहीं था, तो मैंने एक अपने खूबसूरत दोस्त अनफीसा को यहाँ बुलाया है, जिनका खुद का चैनल है अनफीसा बेलारूस, जिसे आप मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा, तो आप उसे फॉलो कर सकते हैं। और बेलारूस के बारे में, अच्छा, इनका चैनल रशियन में नहीं है, इनका चैनल इंग्लिश में है। तो ये सभी हमारे दोस्तों के लिए इजी भी है कि वो इस चैनल के बारे में जानकारी ले सकते हैं। तो वेलकम अनफीसा टू रियल बेलारूस यूट्यूब चैनल।
Yes.
So, Anfisa, we just want to know more about you, that which kind of channel you have.
I have basically two channels, and of course for you, my channel in English, Anfisa Belarus, must be really interested because there I show our life here in Belarus, why it's so attractive for foreigners. Belarus, yeah, about our girls, about our nightlife, our clubs, restaurants. Also, I will show you which kind of places you can visit here in Belarus, because it can be not only Minsk. We have lots of beautiful cities out of Minsk. So of course, once you've been here maybe like 2-3 times already, so you must be interested in our other towns, maybe small or bigger. And also of course, I can help you with the Russian language because I'm a professional teacher of Russian language. So just follow my channel, subscribe me, and enjoy my beautiful videos.
Thank you, Anfisa, for your very nice smile, and you're so beautiful. And we just want to know one more thing. Do you really believe the girls from Belarus would like Indian boys? It is possible. Do you think they would really marry for senior? This, do you think?
I can tell you that in Belarus we have little stereotypes about Indian men, and I also actually have it. I really think that sometimes Indian men can be dangerous, honestly. I mean it because I had some Indian friends in my life before. I was had some issues in my life already, and I'm sure like some of my other girlfriends, they think like Indian can be not really the best one. So it depends on, but I'm sure like some people in India, they are of course like as I know about India, there are some families which are good and which are in bad conditions. So it depends on, and also of course it depends on the woman. She's ready to be with in a relationship with the Indian man or not. Some of our girls will say no for sure, and some will be interested. So it depends on, and of course.
So it is like 50-50, depends on the
Yeah.
person and depends on the personality. Okay, that's very nice. And what you say, how Belarusian girls are they family oriented girls, or they are not looking for the family?
It depends on the age. When, for example, you go out to Rich Cat and some other nightclubs here in Belarus in Minsk, of course, first of all, you see all these girls who are students, or they just, they for sure don't interested in a real relationship, in a long-term relationship. They just want to have fun, or they work in these clubs. So in case if you want to meet a woman for your future marriage, you cannot go to such kind of places. It must be something different. We actually really have in Belarus very good dating agency. I honestly think so, because lots of my girlfriends, my co-workers and some others, they are there. Like they put their applications there. So I think it can be one option for you. And also, like, you should meet them in real life. Like, I don't know, you're, for example, renting apartments, you go to the training center, you can see, like, because there must be girls who are healthy, they may be little different, so you can meet them there. Or maybe just restaurants, maybe somewhere, like, when we work, of course, people need to eat, so during lunch, girls can come out, and also you can somehow, try to connect them. So it must be in real life. It's basically not at the night time when you're coming out to the club.
So it means if we want to meet a real girl for the serious relationship, then we should not find them in clubs, but to find in the real life.
Yeah, for sure.
And you can find anywhere, maybe in bus, maybe in metro, maybe in restaurant, maybe in library.
Yes, you should be active, you should show that you are interested in this woman and try to speak, just like, about life and how she is, what she's doing there, about yourself, just tell something, and just like that.
One simple question. Do Belarusian girls cook in home or not?
Yeah, of course, I cook, yeah. But, it depends also on, like, if a woman really successful and, for example, she's working so hard, it's normal also if she will not cook here. And especially if you're comparing to Indian culture, I know, like, a woman, basically, you have very nice, like, kitchen, like food, in your culture. So in Belarus, it's not like that. We have just potato, and we do everything with potato, and that's it. So our meals, they are super simple. So if you want Belarusian woman cook like that, she really need to be, inspired to learn all these, recipes and everything from your culture. Because Belarusian meals, they are quite boring. Honestly, for you will be, I think so.
Okay, because we eat more spicy food, and that's why. Okay, and one more thing. Do you think Belarus is safe for the tourists who want to come here, or it's safe?
For sure, yes. For sure. Because it's like, actually, also all of my foreign friends, they tell me this. Like, Belarus, if even we compare to Ukraine, they will 99% come here because everything is working here. Like, perfectly. If you call police will come. But, in clubs and everywhere, just everything working. You go to the bank, you will never have cheating with curses. Everything, like, everywhere, So Belarus is easy. Once you are coming out from the airport, there are taxis, and also all of them have same price. So it's like there is no moments where you can be cheated with something.
So it means Belarus is super safe. I also believe this thing. That's very nice. So I think thank you very much for your all information.
Thank you for...
And we would like to see you more in our videos in Real Belarus Hindi, right? And definitely in more subjects next time we will cover. And thank you for your precious time.
Thank you so much, and welcome to Real Belarus.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.